Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Minecraft error code 0x87e50038. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So this error on Minecraft means that there is an instance of Minecraft open. In other words, the Minecraft launcher is already running in the background of your PC. It can also happen because the launcher is stuck in the task manager. An antivirus program or firewall might prevent Minecraft from launching as well. So you need to disable them. Okay? So first thing that you need to do is to end the task for the Minecraft launcher. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show to you on how to do this. First of all, what you need to do is to right click on your taskbar. So this one. So I don't know where you put your taskbar, but in my device, the taskbar is right here below my screen. So right click on it and select Task Manager. And then now, what you need to do is to find the Minecraft launcher. So I don't have that. So just go ahead and find the Minecraft launcher. So for example, this one. So once you've clicked on it, just go ahead and click on the end task. Okay? So that is how you end task for the Minecraft launcher. So the next thing that you need to do is to verify and repair the game. So to do that, follow these steps. First, search for apps and features using the Windows search bar. Then click on the three dots next to Minecraft Launcher by Mojang or Microsoft Studios. Then select Advanced Options. Select Terminate, Repair, and Reset respectively. Then open the Minecraft Launcher. Okay, so you can just go ahead and pause this video so that you can follow these steps. Okay, so just go ahead and check for the next steps that you need to do. Now, uninstall and reinstall the launcher. And again, to do that, follow these steps. Search for apps and features using the Windows search bar. Then, click on the three dots next to Minecraft Launcher. Then, by Mojang or Microsoft Studios, select Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Uninstall. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Minecraft Launcher and reinstall it. Open the Microsoft Launcher. Okay? And again, pause this video so that you can follow the steps. So those are the steps that you need to do to fix Minecraft error code 0x87e50038. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!